What's going on? My name's Nick, and behind me is my 1999 Ford New Edge Mustang. Unfortunately, it is the V6, but I'm going to take this opportunity to somewhat fix it up, make it more presentable, and I figured I would document its journey on being made not this. So I've had this Mustang for about a year and a half. I got it on trade. I drove it around for about a day, and it's been parked here ever since. And it's just, I'm ready to start working on it. It's a 20-footer for sure, but maybe, hopefully, I can make it, I don't know, like a 15-footer. Who knows? With that being said, it drove pretty well. Ran and drove pretty great. Really just give it a good tune-up, get it on jack stands, check the brakes, suspension, tires, because they're flat. Give it a good tune-up, change the oil, spark plugs maybe, just actually go through it. There is a little bit of body work I'd like to do. There's a few dents and paint flaking going on in the back. Try my hand at a little bit of Bondo or pulling the dent out. The hood's got this really awesome American flag here. It's like embedded in the paint somehow. That might look cool to some people, but I'm just a fan of the clean look. I just want a nice, clean, flat hood, just maybe put a stupid GT scoop on here to maybe look like a poser, who knows. The grill is very cool backyard chicken wire grill. I would like to maybe put one of those cool like emblems that are just floating in the center. The wheels are a little bit too importy for me. Not my choice of Mustang wheels. I really like those old Cobra 5-spoke wheels that a lot of people put on these, but I'm a baller on a budget, so these will probably get a good black spray paint. Just black them out. Never been a big fan of chrome. The interior, surprisingly, isn't in that bad of shape. It's got these, I'm pretty sure, just the cheap Amazon knockoff racing seats. I don't hate them. Just a few things, like maybe the door panel, the notorious grab handles, the defrost vents, maybe put a double din radio in there. I like to have one with CarPlay. I've had some funkiness going on with the pedals. Would just like to honestly put them back to a stock pedals on there. Just give it a nice cleanup. Like I said, the interior is actually surprisingly not in that bad shape. Good cleanup probably is all I'll do. With that being said, let's get air in these two tires. These two are actually still good. Get a battery in this thing, see if I can get it fired up, get it pulled around front, get it washed, get in the garage, and actually make a list of what I need to do to this bad boy. So let's get at it. If you want to see me get that Miata going, you just let me know, I'll do it. was just a short video of me getting the Mustang out that I plan to start rebuilding and working on. If you think you want to follow along as I embarrass myself while I poorly fix this up, subscribe and follow along with me. If not, thanks for watching this anyway. If me bringing this back to life goes well, I have that Miata out there. I'm just looking for an excuse. So if you'd rather see a Miata, you let me know. I'll sell this tomorrow and I'll start working on it instead. But if anybody has any ideas or suggestions on what I can do or way to make it nice, like I said, it is the V6, so I don't got much going for it. But hopefully in the end, it'll just be a nice, clean, stock-looking Mustang. So thanks for watching. Peace.